The reason why you are failing in life is because of one word and one word only. Look at me. Your inability to focus now. The reason why the average person never ever achieve a high level of success, you don't have to believe me, is because you can't focus properly. Right now, you're watching this video for a reason. But before you were here, what were you doing? You were watching YouTube videos, right? You were entertaining yourself. But at the same time, you're trying to focus on your dreams. Listen, and I'm gonna let you go. And you have a decision to make once this video ends. Every single day, you have the opportunity to make a decision on what you are going to focus on. Yes, I understand that you're bored. Yes, I understand that you're frustrated, you're irritated, and you don't know exactly what to do. But whatever your mind is focusing on and thinking about is what you will create, okay? Does that make sense? Now, understand something. Let me give you this for free. The most powerful thing I've ever done on the planet, when I was broke, when I had no money, when I had to file bankruptcy, when I got kicked out my home, when they turned off my lights, when everybody said that Wesley, you'll never do great things, you're a failure. When they kicked me out the army, when I went to jail. This is the one thing that changed my life, and I want to give this gift to you right now. Meditation. Now I know what you're thinking. That's hard to do, Wes. I can't sit in one place. Let me show you the easiest way that I do personally right now, right under this video, that allows me to create my world. You don't have to believe it, but try it. Because I don't know when you're going to see this video again. Try it for free. Use the meditation that I'm going to give you right now here for free in the video. And if it works, I want you to thank me. And I want you to take me to Paris and buy me some escargot. Let's go! Let's go, folks. Hey, let's go.